Hey guys, I was looking for a nice but sort of beginner art set, and I was surprised when I came across this one. I don't know that I would consider this a beginner art set, but look at how awesome this is. If you have a budding artist in your life, or know someone who loves to do art, you get so many different things. First of all, you get this beautiful case. And these are acrylic colors, and then these are oil. I don't know what those are because I'm not an artist. But then there's paint, and then there's pencils, and these are little sandpaper deals. And then there you get this a sketchbook, a watercolor book, an acrylic book, a paint tray holder. Again, I'm not an artist, but how cool is it? I might have to become one. I might have to keep this for myself. No, actually, I'm going to give it to my mom for Christmas. She's always wanted to try her hand at watercolor and painting, and so this will be an amazing gift for her and an amazing gift for any artist in your life. So just check it out. I think there's another drawer. I didn't even realize there was another drawer in the middle. There's more. This is really, really cool. Really nice case. Really well done. Anybody would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.